Alter Ego Forum di Ana Elizabeth Espinal Jaramillo. My alter ego. This is my reality. I am fun woman. I am lover of long walks in nature. My hobbies are reading and dancing. During high school, I was recognized as an excellent athlete. In the lower file, I stand out for always occupying the first place in the performance of my work. I like to teach some tricks. Traveling to different cities helps me to connect cultures. I travel to books. Their stories take me to a good magical place. I have clouded. I have not downloaded a plan of like walking the rains is fine. Then contemplating the full moon is an incomparable sight. Thanks.